Good morning everyone. My name is Nakshatra. I am studying 5th standard in Bapuji Vidyasadan School. Good morning everyone. My name is Vanshika. I am studying 5th standard in Bapuji Vidyasadan School. Our conversation is talking about holidays. Hi Nakshatra, how was your holidays? Hi Vanshika, it was wonderful. I went to my grandparents' house. Really, what did you do there? I helped my grandfather in garden. Great, that sounds great. How was your holidays? I went to my aunt's house. I enjoyed there with my cousins. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sanya. I am studying 5th standard in Bapuji Vidyasadan. Good morning everyone. My name is Maidar. I am studying 5th standard in Bapuji Vidyasadan. Our conversation is about a book. Hi Sanya. Hello Mahidar. What are you doing? I am reading a storybook. Do you like your storybooks? Yes, very much. I love fairy tales. I like missionary storybooks. Wow, interesting. Let's exchange books sometime. Wow, that's a great idea. Thank you. Thank you.